Hello creatives, welcome to the channel. My name is Alan and for today, I am going to teach you another Canva design hack tutorial called Slice a Font. So we've already sliced ahead and today we're going to slice a font at Canva. So as you can see here, we're going to recreate this in here. Okay, so for our first step, of course, is you want to go to text and then type in the text that you wanted. Of course, you can choose any fonts that you wanted or type any word that you wanted. But for this time, we're going to type the word slice so that it will match our tutorial for today, of course. And also, um, the next step that you're going to do is to rotate it horizontally. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yep, the standing position. And also, change the background of the page that you've typed in your word, and also change the color of the word that you've typed, just like this one, because later we're going to download it. Okay, download it as an image. Okay, so for today we're going to just skip this part since we have already downloaded it before we start this tutorial and have already uploaded one. And okay, let's just remove this one. So now I'm going to go back at the white background, and then next step is go to elements, type in the word frame I, and then use this frame. Okay, like this frame. And then what you wanted to do with this frame is to rotate it vertically, like that, and then insert the image that you've downloaded on the frame, just like this one. Okay, so enlarge it so that maybe we can see how we're going to measure it later. And then so for play safe, don't let's crop it first. Okay, so let's crop it to the point that we wanted to look the word, or our font to be sliced, just like this one. And then let's duplicate it. When you're satisfied with it, duplicate it. Okay, so adjust the duplicate image to make it look like the bottom part of the font. It doesn't necessarily mean that it needs to become aligned with itself, since we're going to cut it, so it's okay if it's not perfectly aligned, or some parts of it are a little bit curved or doesn't create the whole font. So as you can see here, it's not really aligned. What I'm doing, the S, the L, even the C or the E, it's not aligned with each other. So you wanted to not make them look like they're having the same line. And also I advise that you rotate it a little bit, -2 degrees or 2 degrees, so that it will look as slice. And then there we have it. So if you wanted to add more realistic effects, you just go to photos and type in the word drop shadow and then position it backwards. So as easy as that, within just a matter of 3 minutes, you've already sliced a font in Canva. So once again, this is the Hopeful Designer, and if you love this video, our tutorial, leave a like and comment what kind of tutorial or designs that you wanted to see next. So don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share this to your friends that you think will benefit from this channel. And follow us on Instagram and Facebook as the Hopeful Designer. And thank you guys for staying in, for tuning in. I really have nothing to say. Bye. See you on our next video.